It's Amy from Step into Second Grade. I am here to show you how to improve your social media profile picture. So I'm going to start by opening up PowerPoint. The first thing I'm going to do is take these text box off and change the size. I'm going to change it to a square. So I'm going to File, Page Setup, and I'm going to make it 7.5 by 7.5. Now I have it as a square. Now I'm going to insert a picture of me that I took the other day, and it is already a square. I edited it in a program on my computer, and I cropped it to make it a square, and I'm going to make it the complete slide. Okay, now I'm going to insert a shape. I'm going to insert a rectangle down at the bottom. Okay, there's my rectangle. And change the color. So I'm going to do fill. I'm going to make it white, and I'm going to make the line white. Now I'm going to make it transparent so that it's not so bold and chunky. Okay, so I have my white rectangle that's transparent, and I'm going to now insert in a watermark. Or if you have a blog button, then feel free to do that. I'm just using one that my wonderful blog designer, Tanil, made. She has a blog design company called Designs by Tanil, and she made all of those wonderful parts of my blog for me. So there's my watermark. Again, a blog button would work, or if you just want to type it, that's fine too. Now I'm going to do my name. I'm going to have Amy Lemons and Step into Second Grade because I have some things under my name and some things under my blog name. Because when I started way back when, I didn't think about making it all the same. So if you are just starting out, I would highly suggest you stay consistent because it makes it very difficult when you don't. So I want my name and my blog name. So I typed in Amy Lemons. I'm going to make it centered, and I'm going to change the font. This is a Cara Carol font. I just randomly chose it. She sells her fonts on TpT. Okay, now I'm going to change my spacing because there's way too much space between Amy Lemons. Okay, so I have to highlight this and right click it and do paragraph. And I have to change the line spacing from single to multiple, and I'm going to make it 0.8. That's my go-to because it normally always works without overlapping. So do you see how the space between Amy and Lemons isn't quite as big? I'm going to make that a little bit bolder. There we go. And now I'm going to do the @ symbol just for fun. So I'm going to insert word art. I'm going to make the not an A, an @ symbol. And I'm going to make the fill and the line black and change that to a Kimberly guest line font called KG Wake Me Up. She also sells her fonts on TpT. So I'm going to have it say Amy Lemons at Step into Second Grade. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make this a circle because a lot of social media, like the TpT website, Instagram, Periscope, they have circular pictures. Facebook, the TpT app, and Twitter, they use square. So you can either make them all square and it'll change it for you, or you can make a square picture and a circular picture. Okay, so now I'm going to group my stuff so I can center it. So I'm going to highlight all of my text, and I'm going to go to Format and Group. Okay, so now that's all one chunk of text. Now I'm going to go to Align, Center, and that will put it in the middle, and I won't have to eyeball it. Okay, so now I have this, and I'm going to save this as a picture. And I keep all my blog buttons. I've done this a gajillion times, so I have them all there. Now I'm going to make a new slide, and I'm going to insert the picture that I just made. If I can find it, there it is. And now I'm going to show you how to crop it into a circle. So I've selected my picture. See, it has the dots around it. I'm going to do crop and mask to shape. Oh, I see a mistake that I made. My Step into Second Grade is getting cut off. So I'm going to go back and fix that. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go back and fix that. I don't want any of my stuff cut off. So I need to shrink this down a little bit. And I'm going to shrink this so it doesn't look too big. Okay, I'm going to bring it all in a little bit because it was too wide. Because the circle will cut some things off. So that's why you want to play around with it before you just let those social media places do the circle for you. Okay, so now I'm going to save as a picture again. Okay, now I'm going to insert a new slide. Insert that picture I just fixed. There we go. And now I'm going to make sure it's selected, do crop, mask to shape, and make it a circle. And so now you can see the circle fits perfectly around it. Now I have a square picture and I have a circle picture. And that's how you can add your name and your information to your TpT social media, Pinterest, all of these things. You can change all of them to make them have the same thing so people know what who they are seeing and who they're shopping at. And that's all I have for you.